Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial. Create a new poster layout with your image centered. Duplicate it and desaturate the top layer. Place a tree or window shadow or texture on the top. Set the shadow layer blend mode to multiply. Now adjust opacity for a realistic soft shadow. Add a gradient to simulate sunlight direction. Use curves to enhance contrast between light and dark areas. Now mask unwanted parts of the shadow with a soft brush. Add text under the slight area for readability. Apply color balance for warm tones. Add vignette around corner for focus. Use dodge tool to highlight key areas. Your real shadow overlay poster is now ready to print. Thanks for watching.